Today I'm going to see if humans can see in 360 degrees in real time.
I don't even have to check if there's a bike coming behind me. I can already see it.
This is Insta360's new camera. It can record in full 360 degrees and stitch it together for a seamless video feed. But can our brains do this as well? Well, today I'm going to be trying it out. So to see if humans can see in 360 degrees, I want it to be real time and not using any cameras to do it. So I just need to take the light from behind my head and get it to come around to one of the eyes. The best way to do that is using mirrors. So what I've done here is I've actually made a periscope with two 45-degree angle mirrors that will angle the light from behind me to hit one of my eyes here. So right now I can see the camera because the light's coming from the camera hitting this mirror, this one, and then hitting my right eye. So when I'm wearing this, my right eye will see what's behind me and my left eye will see what's in front of me. So let's test it out and see what it actually looks like. Whoa. Okay, so right away this is super weird. So my brain wants to merge the two images like it normally does for depth perception. But it can't really do that because one's showing me what's behind me and the other one's showing me what's in front of me. So it's weird, even though both of my eyes are getting the light at the same time, I can only actually see the image from one eye at a time depending on what I focus on. It's kind of like a constant tug of war in my mind. I can switch attention between the two, but I can't really process them both at the same time. The images overlap, but if I focus on something, it makes the other image invisible. So my focus can only be on something that's in front of me or behind me, not both at the same time. So this isn't supervision at all. It's more like switching between looking in front of me and behind me. So using my periscope like this, it's possible to make our eyes see in 360 degrees around us, but it's not possible to make our brain see in 360 degrees. To give you an idea what I mean, I'm going to put two pictures of a car on the screen. Now kind of cross your eyes so that they merge into one image. But now I'll switch one of the cars to a cat. So you can see how depending on which image you focus on, that's what you see. You can't really process both of them at the same time. That's the same thing that's going on when I'm trying to see what's in front of me and behind me. Normally your brain merges the input from your two eyes to create stereoscopic vision. That's how depth perception works. But eyes look in roughly the same direction and your brain compares the small differences between them. But if one eye is completely seeing a different image, it can't combine the images, so instead it just switches between them. What's fascinating about this is that your brain can adapt over time. There are studies where people wore inverted vision goggles like these, and after a few days they could function like normal. So maybe if I wore this reverse periscope every day for a long time, maybe I'd eventually develop a kind of pseudo 360 degree awareness. But probably not. In children that have strabismus, where one eye turns in too much, then instead of seeing double vision and getting used to it and being able to process both images, the brain just starts ignoring one of the eyes, and it eventually leads to blindness in one eye. Not because the eye can't see, but because the brain stopped processing the image. It's weird to think that seeing isn't just with our eyes, but it's also our brain. Eyes are just responding to electromagnetic waves hitting them. Images and colors all come from the brain, not the eye. Now, if you're wondering whether anything in nature can actually see 360 degrees, dragonflies have 360 degree vision thanks to their compound eyes. Goats and zebras have eyes on the sides of their head that give them around 330 degrees of peripheral vision. So humans with our forward-facing eyes are optimized for depth and detail, but not range. That is, unless we cheat a little. Insta360 sponsored this video and sent me their new Insta360 X5 camera. A camera that can actually see in a full 360 degree sphere around you. Insta360 sponsored this video and sent me their awesome camera that, unlike me with my reverse periscope, actually works. When a 360 degree camera like the Insta360 X5 captures footage, it uses two ultra-wide 180 degree fisheye lenses, each covering half the spherical view, one facing forward and one facing backward. The science behind combining these into a seamless 360 degree image is called image stitching. During this process, the camera's software identifies overlapping regions between the two lens views and uses complex computer vision algorithms to blend them together. It matches patterns, edges, and lighting between the two halves, then warps and corrects for lens distortion to make it appear as if the video was captured by a single spherical lens. I've used a lot of action cameras before, but this one's different. It's like having a cinematic drone operator filming you from every angle, even if just mounted on a stick. One of the coolest features is the invisible selfie stick. It completely disappears from the footage, so you get floating third-person shots that look like they came from a movie set. But it's just you running around with one camera. And the quality is incredible, even in low light. The larger dual sensors and triple AI chip system pull in more light, reduce noise, and deliver uncompressed, crisp video, even in conditions where most cameras fall apart. I tested it both outdoors during the day and in dim light after sunset, and it handled both beautifully. The lenses are also replaceable, which is a huge deal. In the past, I've been afraid to take shots that might damage the camera, but now even if I scratch the lens, I can just pop it off and replace it on the spot. No mailing it in, no ruined footage. And when it comes to editing, the AI-powered Insta360 app does a lot of the work for you. With the Insta360 X5, you don't need to worry about framing your shot while filming. The camera captures everything around you in full 360 degrees, so you can stay focused on the moment, whether that's riding, hiking, or creating without distraction. Later, you can easily choose the best angles using AI-powered reframing tools in the Insta360 app. Just hit record and let the camera do the rest. There's a new mode called InstaFrame that auto-frames your shot while still recording the full 360-degree view in the background. It saves a ton of time, especially if you just want to grab a quick clip and get back to filming. Honestly, I love this camera because it lets me tell stories and capture shots that just aren't possible with traditional gear. I'm not just filming what's in front of me, I'm capturing everything around me and then choosing later how to tell the story. It's a completely new way of seeing. And in the context of this video, it's the closest I've actually come to having 360-degree vision. What's more, you can now instantly share 360-degree footage with Insta360 Plus cloud service. You can click the cloud link in my description to view my 360-degree footage in just one click. So if you want to check out the X5, you can use my link below to grab the Insta360 X5, the flagship 360-degree camera. The first 20 orders will get an extra free replaceable lens kit as a special gift. And thanks for watching another episode of the Action Lab. I hope you learned something. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, remember to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.